Do you want to know how you can access your recent transactions or watch your transaction history on Draftkings? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access your transaction history or watch your recent transactions on Draftkings. Go ahead and open any type of browser and go to draftkings.co.uk. Log into your account and hover around your profile, which is on the right hand side. Click on account information and write down your login credentials and it will take you to this page. Go ahead and click on my financial center over here. You can see transaction history. Go ahead and tap on it and you will see your transaction history over here. You can arrange it according to date, products, categories, and the currency as well. Or else you can just go ahead and write down your transaction history or paste it over here and search it, and you can find your transaction summary or transaction history quite easily. If you go to view transaction summary over here, you can see this in short form. You can arrange it within the month and you can see some of it over here as well. So guys, this is how you change your transaction history or how you check out your transaction history on Draftkings. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.